You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this confusing name of a watchmaker from Switzerland and how it's pronounced in French. French, of course, being the language spoken in this part of Switzerland. Tissot is the French pronunciation here. The T is silent at the end. Tissot, double S, is pronounced just like an S. Tissot in English, if you cannot pronounce French perfectly, it's pronounced as Tissot. Yes, Tissot. More watchmaker brand names now. Let's stay tuned. Tissot. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.